Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook page name with just your phone. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook app. Having opened up your Facebook app, if you have a multiple page, click on here to select the page you would like to change the name. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here, profile picture there. Click on the profile picture here. Then you can choose the page that you want to change the name. So I'm going to change this particular page name. So I'm going to select on that. Then having choose the page that you want to rename, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three slider, just like so. Then you have to scroll down. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on setting and privacy, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings, then scroll down and you have to look for page setup. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on view, then change the name to whatever name you want to change to, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your Facebook page name without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.